Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to download and install Roblox. So let's get started. So to do that, what you can do is just open up your PC or your laptop, and after opening that, just tap on Microsoft Store and open up your Microsoft Store. After opening up your Microsoft Store, in search bar you can search for Roblox. After searching for Roblox, here you can find the Roblox application. You can just tap on get and start installing your Roblox application. So this is the one way how you can install Roblox. And by tapping on get, your Roblox application starts installing. So this is the one way how you can install your Roblox application. There is another way to install your Roblox. So just open up your browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can just search for roblox.com. After searching for roblox.com, now you can just log in into your account, or you can just download your Roblox by tapping on get in from Microsoft, or you can select any other options that you like. So if you are in your mobile or in your Android device, you can just tap on Google, or if you are in your Apple device, you can just tap on Apple Store and some other options that you can find that you can use to install Roblox. So these were the ways how you can download Roblox, and after downloading your Roblox, you can just tap on play. And after tapping on play, now what you can do is just create an account if you don't have one by tapping on sign up, or you can just log in into your account and just start playing Roblox. So that's it guys, this is how to download and install Roblox in your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.